Welcome back. In the previous video, we upgraded the Flet application that we're using, this resume showcase, from 0.70 to 0.80. And we also built the GitHub Pages workflow. Today, in this video, we're going to create the GitHub repository, enable pages. We'll create a requirements.txt that the PYTH needs to get Flet inside of it. And then we're going to push it up to GitHub. And I will just put in just the Flet, and then I'll see how it works. Now I'm going to create a new repository. It has to be the same name that we specified here. Resume showcase tutorial. New repo. Have it be my organization. Resume showcase tutorial. Example of Flet app deployed to GitHub Pages using a resume showcase. I'm going to set it to public because for the free accounts of GitHub, it has to be public in order to have use pages. I'm going to create the repo. So I just click settings in the left-hand column. I'm going to click pages. And then we're going to deploy from GitHub Actions. So first, it's already initted. Git add. Let's try to get it init again. So I'll have the commit message be that I added a GitHub workflow. And then I'll change the name of the branch to main. I'll add the remote. Then I'll push it up. Okay, it's pushed up. Whatever code here. The actions. Click on the actions here. Then I'll click on build. We can monitor the build process. These steps that you see in GitHub, it corresponds to this name that we have in our deploy.yml GitHub workflow file. So this is, we first check out the repository. Then we specify to GitHub action to take this. So someone has written this action for us. So we're using the actions that have been built up by other people, and we're just chaining it together. Okay, it says that it successfully built the web app into the build/web section of GitHub Actions, and it's trying to upload the artifact. Now doing the post checkout of the repository, and it's in the process of cleaning up orphan processes to complete the job. So we're almost there. Okay. So if you go to Actions, click on this. Since it's deployed, the link is here. And we should probably open up the dev tools. Okay, I have the application working on GitHub Pages again. So this should be used as a secondary way for deployment, maybe just for your personal assessment. Once it's loaded, the performance is fine. does take quite a while. I think maybe 17 seconds to load because of the technology that's involved in it. If you want a fast deployment, I think you should deploy it to fly.io, which we have covered in another video. Although this GitHub Pages, it's free, and once the action is set up, it's easy to deploy. It's not the most efficient way to deploy this type of application. The full code, the GitHub action, and the deployed project will be available on this free course. There's no credit card needed. You just sign up for it. There's 90 lessons. It's 100% free. The course is 100% free. I will put it into this section here for right under chapter 11. I'll have a new chapter 12 for the GitHub Pages deployment. So what you'll see is you'll see this chapter 12, and there'll be you click on the text, and it'll be a download button to get the source code. And if you have questions, you can create a post for the discussions here and see if you have any questions. Also, if you've deployed something and you've modified it, would like to share it, please drop it right here.